Welcome to our beginner's guide to crystal healing. If you're curious about this ancient practice but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. First and foremost, it's essential to understand that crystal healing is based on the belief that crystals possess various energies that can interact with our own energy fields, promoting balance and well-being. Each crystal has its unique properties and vibrations, making it important to choose the right one for your specific needs. Take the time to research and find the crystal that resonates most with you intuitively or aligns with the goals you want to achieve. Once you've chosen your crystal, it's crucial to cleanse it to remove any lingering energies it may have picked up before reaching you. Cleansing methods vary, and you can choose one that feels right to you. With your crystal cleansed, it's time to set your intention. This step is about programming your crystal with a specific purpose or goal. Whether you're seeking clarity, emotional healing, protection, or manifestation, clearly state your intention to your crystal. Now that your crystal is cleansed and programmed, you can begin incorporating it into your daily routine for healing purposes. There are numerous ways to use crystals, depending on your preference and comfort level. As you integrate crystal healing into your life, remember to regularly cleanse and recharge your crystal to maintain its effectiveness. With consistent practice and an open mind, you'll gradually develop a deeper connection with your crystal and its healing energies. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of crystal healing. May your journey be filled with peace, clarity, and abundant healing energy.